An athlete's busy day. Hi, my name is Theo. I am an athlete. I play soccer. Watch me score a goal. The ref blows his whistle. No hands, he yells. Oops, maybe I am not a soccer player. I play football. Watch me score a touchdown. The ref blows his whistle. Out of bounds, he yells. Oops, maybe I am not a football player. I play basketball. Watch me run with the ball. The ref blows his whistle. You must dribble. He yells. Oops, maybe I am not a basketball player. I play tennis. Watch me serve the ball. Thwack! The ball hits my teammate. Oops, maybe I'm not a tennis player. I feel sad. I am not an athlete. Don't give up, says Coach Crocodile. I'll help you train. I run on the treadmill. Faster, Coach Crocodile says. I do push-ups harder, Coach Crocodile says. I stretch my legs deeper, Coach Crocodile says. I feel better. I could be a baseball player. I go up to bat. I swing. Oops, I miss. Strike one, says the umpire. I try again. Oops, I swing. Oops, I miss. Strike two, says the umpire. Maybe I'm not a baseball player. Theo, Coach Crocodile calls. You can do it. Smile. This time, I swing as hard as I can. Crack! I hit it. I run fast. My teammates cheer. The umpire shouts, "It's a home run." I am an athlete. I'm strong, fast, flexible, and very tired. What? Huh? Yes, sir. A quiz. Stop recording.